Another benefit of creating outlines with text is that this feature will allow us to paste an image into the text, pretty much like a clipping mask in Photoshop, if you're aware of that function. Let's go and have a look. Because it's going to be part of our menu, I'm just going to delete these text frames. I'm going to take the type tool, to click and drag out a text frame, and I'm going to type in the word coffee. I definitely believe that it should be a nice bold font. With the text frame selected in the character panel, let's type in Arial space B, which will give us Arial black, and we can increase the size. And I'm increasing the font size to 100 points. We need to go to the type menu. We need to select create outlines. And if we now use the direct selection tool in the toolbar, we can see that this indeed is a vector shape. I click just beneath it with the black selection tool to make sure nothing is selected, and I am going to place an image on the page. I'm going to go to the file menu. I'm going to select the place option. The coffee beans image has been provided for you as a download. I'm just going to click so it places the image. With it still selected, I'm going to go and edit. I'm going to select the cut option. I'm going to select the outlines, and I'm going to go to edit, paste into. And now you can see that your coffee beans have been pasted into the text. That's one option of why we would like to create outlines. Another option of creating outlines would be so that we can maybe just make the font a little more snazzy. Let's have a look. For this, I'm going to use a serif font. I'm going to take the type tool, I'm going to create a text frame, and I'm going to type in the word pizza. I'm going to highlight the text, I'm going to highlight the value, and I'm going to increase the scale to 120 points. What we do now is, with the text frame selected, navigate to the type menu, select create outlines. We now navigate to the toolbar and select the direct selection tool. I'm going to, with the white selection tool, I'm just going to draw over those anchor points, and I'm going to click and drag, and we're now editing anchor points, and we edit anchor points with the direct selection tool. So we're not essentially creating a new font, we're just modifying an existing font. And in essence, it's not a font anymore, it's actually become a vector shape. I'm going to select the image called pizza, click open, and we're going to click to place. Again, we go use edit cut, select our vector shape, navigate to edit, paste into. What we can do now is we can see the image is not covering the text completely. So we place our cursor into the image, and we're looking for the content grabber, and the content grabber will move our image across. And there you have some other funky, original, creative ideas for formatting of your text in a different and unique way.